Secret video. Only secret people know how to get onto this video. Literally, it's a public video, people. Secret video, indeed. Anyway, I'm going to answer my own... Whoops. I'm going to answer my own question from the previous video, which is, why do I think that weed to be legal is wise? Why do I think that legal weed is wise? Yeah, we'll do that every now and again. I've got a timer on the light. So why should weed be legalized? I think it's wise. Why do I think it's wise? It is wise because it's a subtle action. Many benefits issue forth from it. And it brings a ripple effect with it of subtle benefits. To the whole of society. So if I was the leader, I would definitely put that as one of my policies. I think it's very wise for society to have weed in the background as being treated as safe. It should be respected. Okay. That's my wisdom for the day, in answer to my own previous question. And yeah, I got dry mouth. Good night.